Hi all, welcome to kastechnosolutions. Today I'm going to show you about one of the tool that can be used for visualizing mathematical expressions and getting a solutions for our real life problems like integration, differentiation, finding the roots, etc. So let me straight away jump into this tool. So just open any browser, just type in Wolfram Alpha. So this is the spelling. Just click on this one and it will give you Wolfram Alpha, which is a computational intelligence. Just click on this one. So this will give you into their homepage. So why this is very important is it is very interesting to visualize our mathematical formulas, most of the equations and everything. So most of the time what happens is we will work out through the formulas which we know, like we know a lot of process like sine, integral sine x is cos and everything, but how to visualize the graphs and everything. And even if we have any special complex equations to solve, what are the step by step to it. So it's a real life or very useful and very helpful to get into the real solutions, etc. So without talking much, let me jump into showing you something. Suppose if you want to solve a quadratic equation. So I'm just keying in some quadratic equation. So like x square plus or minus 4x plus 4 equal to 0. So I just took a simple quadratic equation which we know based on our real formula like a plus b all square. So just click on this one and search. Okay, so it's just given you what is your input and it is giving you the graph of this particular equation which helps you to visualize. And we know what is a solution. It is the x-axis intercept. So 2 is the solution. And what is the alternate form on a linear scale, how it will be. And another interesting factor is, okay, the solution it is giving you x equal to 2. Now, how we derived into this solution? Suppose if you want to know the step-by-step solution. So just click on the step-by-step solution. So it will give you x minus 2 whole square is equal to 0 and x equal to 2. So once we go to another complex equation, this method will be really helpful. So now let me show you on an integration. So how to type in integration. So just type integrate, okay, sin x dx from what is the limits of the integral from 0 to pi. Okay, so I'm just clicking on enter. Okay, so integral 0 to pi sin x dx is equal to 2. That's the solution. Now you can see a graph. So we know pi is nothing but 3.14. So that's why you can see on the x-axis it is just a bit from 3. And the number 1 that is coming from 3 pi by 2, which is like 1.5 in between. So we know that sine pi by 2 is equal to 1 and 2 times of sine pi by 2, that is 0 to pi is equal to 2. So that is what this graph is showing. The area under this curve is equal to considered as 2. Now how this step by step is coming? Just click on this step by step. You will see integral 0 to pi sin x dx, that is equal to cos x, and applying the limit 0 to pi, and you will get the answer here, which is 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. Okay, so which is the visual representation which we already shown here. Now suppose if it is a pi by 2, we know that it is 1. You can see it is 1. And the graph, half of what we saw for the 0 to pi. So it is important to visualize the areas, the graphs, and which gives us an immense pleasure to see, as well as a good learning and imagination capacity. I'll show you one more thing, like maybe a differentiating one. So maybe differentiate x raised to 4. Okay. So what is differential of x raised to 4? We know the formula, like applying the formula n minus 1. So here you can see the graph of x raised to, or this is the derivative 4x cube graph. Okay, and we know the root and everything and how the step by step is coming. So this is the step 1, x raised to 4. And what is the formula? This is nothing but our power rule, which formula they have used, where n equal to 4, and it is giving you 4x cube. I just want to introduce this particular video so that everyone can use this one in your homework and visualize uh, and see all other forms. And this particular Wolfram alpha, let me go to the home page again. So we have a number of helpful scenarios which you can uh, query and explore and understand. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.